After creating, verifying your account, and activating two-factor authentication, you will be able to purchase cryptocurrency directly by credit card. Start by logging into your KuCoin account. On the homepage, select Buy Crypto near Total Assets, or choose Fast Trade at the top left. Choose your currency and the cryptocurrency you want to acquire, then enter the amount to invest. Select your payment method. If your credit card is not yet registered, click on Add Card. Complete the mandatory information about your card and your postal address, then validate by clicking Confirm. Click on Buy USDT to continue the process. Accept the terms of use by checking the appropriate box, and click Confirm before time runs out. Finally, enter your CVV code and confirm again. You will be redirected to a security page of your bank to confirm the transaction, possibly through your mobile app. Congratulations, you have completed the purchase of your cryptocurrency by credit card. Click on View Assets to access your transaction history. Your new purchase is now visible in your funding wallet. To transfer your funds to other wallets like trading or future, refer to our dedicated tutorial.